Are we working? Is it cooking? We good? Mic test. All right, cool. Let's get this stream popping. Boom, boom, boom. Doo, doo, doo. Get some music going. All right, cool. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? Let's go. New hourly candle. Let's go. Is the stream showing? Everything's good? Music's too loud. You can turn it down using Discord. I'll lower it on my end too. All right. So we got cooking, everybody printing, you sidelined. Hopefully yesterday's stream with the directional bias on, we were in a buy area. We're good. We're safe. Took a while. Definitely took a while. Quick analysis on BTC before we jump into your guys' favorite altcoins. We'll do BTC ETH and then the floor is open for whatever you like. We'll do high time frame analysis though, guys. We got the summer coming up. It's gonna be a little bit slower. We're gonna see a lot of chop. I'm telling you, we're gonna see crab memes, crab meme coins probably. We've already started to see a little bit of it. I know you guys seen those memes where it's like a crab and it has a bear and a bull in its claws. You know what I mean? We're gonna see that again. Quick analysis on BTC. We're long. A couple of us in the den tried to short. We were stopped out break even. My next areas of interest are 67, 67.5, 68.819. Actually, I think I have to update this. I'm sorry. Don't quote me yet. Yeah. Cypress is here. It should be recorded. Yes, sir. So quick analysis. I mean, I got to go the lower time frame actually, real quick, just to show it real fast. All right. So what we're looking for, if for our longs to continue to keep printing and hit these higher targets, is I want to see us flip the 5-day, 3-day range POC into support. All right. So we blasted through them. We've already done a bullish retest on the 5-day, 3-day. Let's see if we can hold the range POC for continuation up. All right. That's the current plan on the longs. There is a 30-minute bear div right now that is confirmed. We have to wait for this 30-minute candle right here to say, hey, fumbled the fucking short. It is what it is. But realistically, I mean, everything happens right here. Everything happens right there. So if you're feeling ballsy and you're really wanting the short, it would be low time frame. I'm talking like 1 to 5 minute time frame, and you could just start pulling your fibs like this, right? So wherever we bounce from, let's say we bounce from the range, this is the only short opportunity you have with stops above that. That's all you got. If you're not long, I have not updated any levels, but you can already see this little tiny baby range. We have a 30-minute single print. I mean, man, fuck, we've had opportunities along. It blows my mind when everyone wants to get long when this happens, but no one wants to get long when we're pulling back to big levels. Yeah, we printing, we fucking printing, man. That is for sure. Okay, so let me update real quick this huge, massive, like 70 something day fucking range, real quick for everybody, so you can see actually what is going on. Actually, I don't even need to do this chart. We could do this one. Yeah, this is fine. Like this right here. All right. So we have a daily range, right? So you have high and low. All I'm using is the fixed range volume profile. That's all I'm doing. You can clearly see that we're in a range. Where are we in this range? We're flipping the range POC. So that's 62,647. The reason why we were looking for longs yesterday is because we are at the value area low. That's it. That's not, it's not a secret. This is it. So this is my area value of like my area of interest, right? Purple box. We hold and we flip the range. Look at all this thin air. Of course, you could take partial here. You could take a partial here, like your typical tops. You know, sweep it, take a TP for your long, sweep it, take a TP for your long. But this is the juice right here. It's actually like 70,000. But we have POCs in between this area that we could look to head short. Big GP coming up like this. See how that value area high here falls inside this massive rejection GP? This is where I'll look to add shorts from 73K and the 72K short. Any trend line traders, I guarantee you guys see this, yada, 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 right? You guys see that? So it kind of lines up where I would compound, and we're just going to keep playing the range. So boom, 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 boom. In anticipation, hopefully, in September, after the summer, we break out and we go to our all-time highs. Good plan? Now, this does change, though, guys. This can change. Everything is subject to change because we can't control the news. We can't control wars. We can't control elections, et cetera, et cetera. So, you know, who knows, right? Trump could fucking go to prison. Who knows? I really don't know. And that would be bad for crypto. I want Trump to get in there. I think he's pro crypto, and that's our catalyst that we'd want for all-time highs. You know, 102,000, 155K BTC targets. Those are still my targets from the 39K long. Still my targets for the 39K long. Nothing has changed for that. That's it. That's it for BTC. It's too easy. BTC is literally the easiest coin to trade in the history of crypto. It's kind of funny because it's the oldest coin in crypto. So there you go. And then we'll move on to ETH. All right. So yes, it's embarrassing. Yesterday was kind of silly. I was hoping for a more volatile move yesterday, like what we had on BTC, right? Like BTC, we got a crazy 4-hour candle. We didn't get that on ETH at all. So the position was only filled 200 ETH only out of 1,000. So it's kind of embarrassing, but still made some money, and we got TP1. Let's go to the same thing. Let's start off higher time frame. Let's go to the daily. So it paints a different picture than BTC, right? So ETH, we have ranges, huge ranges on ETH. So if you were to pull this range that we're in right now, where are we at? We're at the lows, right? So this is why we TP'd at 29.49, is because it is the value area low. If ETH is not bottomed out, then this is going to be continue to be a rejection area, and I'll start targeting 28, 26. If we flip the value area low, I got to remove that. Then I'll be looking at these guys up here. The monthly POC at 31.62. Higher time frame, I play higher time frame. You guys just think I do lower time frame. I execute on lower time frame. I play higher time frame levels. So that's how we can execute on low time frame down here, and then look and zoom out and be like, all right, cool. Where am I looking to take TPs? Here, here, right? Just keep it easy. All right, let me get rid of some of these squigglies. It's a lot. If anyone wants to jump up, who I got any like guys up in here? I got any my peoples? It's like I'm talking to myself. Muzzle's supposed to be in here. I don't know where he's at. A morning dab? Oh, bro, I'm already 2 dabs in. Let's go. I'm already 2 dabs in. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I got Pepe. We'll make a list. We'll do We'll do that. We'll do the list. We'll do the altcoins. Sorry, he got me thinking about the dab again. I don't know why, but I'm ready to. I'm lit. I know you guys can hear my voice. I'm fucking calling this shit, guys. Like in a month in advance and stuff like that. Like it gives a trader like such confidence when you could predict, like, a lot of people are like, oh, I don't want to try to predict anything, and I don't either, but the levels are the levels, and like my areas of interest and the levels that I want to play are there way in advance before we even get there. So when we do get there, there is no fear. You're not stressing. You're literally just waiting patiently for, in my case, the RSI to make sense. If it literally tells me like play these fucking levels or wait. It's literally that simple. So even if you're an impatient trader, the strategy that I'm teaching makes you patient. It's it's fucking goaded. I don't know what else to say. Okay, Pepe. Hold on, let me get a list going real quick on. Let me get a list. Let me get a list. Let me pull up like a. I'm not using pen and paper. It's fucking 2024. Um, Even though my boy Mouse got me a dope ass pen. Okay, let's take a. Let me put this down. Let me pull up a trade tracker. You hedged your long. Oh, you shorted. You shorted the 30-minute div, Dan? I wouldn't be surprised. All right. I'm getting the list of altcoins right now. So Pepe and Rune for now. We'll do another request. We'll do another request, but I'm just gonna jump into this. Time is of the essence, so I don't want to waste too much time just fucking talking. All right, Pepe. All right, so this is the technical analysis that we had written up fucking since the 6th of May, right? The 6th of May, we did this technical analysis on Monday, Tuesday. I showed you guys that I was longing Pepe at 765. I'm still in this long. I'm still in it. We are in price discovery. I couldn't tell you guys where the fuck we're gonna go, but I can tell you where I'll be looking to take TPs. If you haven't noticed, I've already taken one TP on the Pepe long. We took a TP here. I'll take a TP there, and just keep riding this son of a bitch. Just keep going. Just keep going. So this is what I'm looking at on Pepe for TPs. My bag's already packed. We're fucking printing. I mean, this is a hell of a move already. Um, I mean, what? Yeah, I mean, we're already 52%. I mean, I don't know. Do you want me to, should you short? I should also short a Pepe. Should I close? I don't give out advice like that, bro. Like, what was your TA telling you? What was your invalidation? Because the reason is why I would like. I'm not short, so I don't know what you're playing, so I can't give like a real analysis. But the way that I look at it is, if I tell you to close your short and give you financial advice, and we literally nuke to zero, I look like the bad guy, right? Or if I tell you to hold your short and we keep going and we hit all of my TPs, I look like the bad guy. And trust me, like I'm here for you guys. So like the way that I would look at like why you might have shorted Pepe, we are coming to an extended fib level, but we're at, like, price discovery, dude. Like I don't, like, it's extremely hard to like try to think about like where you would be looking to short. Like we're not oversold on lower time frame to even think about looking at shorts. Like this was a 5-minute bearish divergence here. Like this is all you had. So like if anything, this is where I would have maybe had short, but I'm not looking to short price discovery until we get like daily levels to short, weekly levels to short, monthly levels to short. Pepe's really, really strong right now. I mean, don't fade it. I mean, join the club, right? Join the club. Shorting since 11.6. So you are short. You're short right here. Oh man, you making me think that you're fucking underwater or some shit. Okay, you fooled me there. Good job, good job. All right, so oh man, fuck. I guess you could look at this. So I mean, if I was short from your entry, my stop loss would probably be like in profit right in here, right there. So stop loss and profits. I mean, I got higher TPs. All right, so long areas, everything has changed once again because we created a new range. The range is very big though, so you're gonna have a ton of levels. But what you want to mark out is this GP that people tried to short and got fucking demolished on, right? Because now this can turn into support. Let's pull the range. Same thing we just did on BTC. All right, there you go. So you have a value area high that we could do a bullish retest on. Falls inside the GP, lines inside up with the 786. Then you also have the range POC here. And you also have the value area low of the range there. So the question is like, hey, would you be adding or compounding to my 76 long? Yeah, this is perfect because you can just add your fibs now from the low, my entry basically, to there. Now look, oh shit, we have a long GP here and we have levels to play. There you go. That's it. Done. TP's done. Or not TP's, but TA done. Massive 4-hour bearish divergence, but I don't play those. Technically, actually, you know what? It broke. 4-hour div broke. I'm sorry, I just seen that. So this was the 4-hour div. It broke when we did that. Bullish till we go below 50 on the RSI. All right, Muzz, I'll get C on there for you, bro. Let me do Rune real quick, and then I gotta start focusing on higher time frames here. So I don't have a lot of TA on Rune. Doesn't look like I play the coin that often. So let's take a look. What do I see? Let's go high time frame. Let's go monthly first. Oh, I guess I do play it. Ranging. Let's take a look on the daily. Okay. I want to do the same thing. We do the same thing on every single coin. Let's take a look at the range. Okay. Bullish on Rune once we start getting daily candle closures above the value area high. This looks pretty hard to trade because the POCs don't fall inside of the area of interest, right? So I mean, there might have been like a dailies or some levels down here. We gotta take a look. Let me turn on the PVP indicator. All right, so this is what ended up happening. If you were monitoring Rune like real time on the daily, there was a daily level that ended up printing here 4709. But that, like I said, this is extremely hard to play. But since we made a higher high and bullish structure is intact, now we can do this. So we have new levels. So we have a daily here at 4929. Cool. Let's see, we got a 3-day in somewhere in here. All right, we have a 3-day down here. 4747. Oh, that's a funny number. Oh, wow, look at that. 5-day. I mean, you're just getting a cluster of POCs. A lot of sevens. Lots of sevens. Okay, cool. This is what I like. Weekly. And there's not gonna be a 2 week. Oh shit, there is a 2 week. Let's go. Okay, cool. Rune. Here, let me take a look at chat real quick. Oh, budget on closing rent trades fully filled in DCA zone, but it keeps printing divs. Also, you cut it when the divs broke. Oh, you gotta go to higher time frame. Go to higher time frames, like up to the 30, right? So if like 30-minute div breaks, fucking out. And it's just you gotta play the next levels higher. Yeah, Steven. I mean, bro, we're at like all-time highs on Pepe, man. Like there's no levels for me to play really to like think about shorting that. You want the bullish structure to you want the structure to change bearish, right? So start making lower lows and then we can start thinking about taking shorts. But and trust me, I shorted Pepe at the fucking top like last year and rode it down like all the way to like 69 or like 420.69 or 69 420 some shit like that. All right, so Rune, keep it simple. I know my chart is so messy. I'm sorry, guys, but like, I'm not here for a beauty contest. I'm here to make money. All right. So if Rune continues to hold these levels, the weekly, the daily, and it flips it into support, I mean, you're just gonna fucking ride it to new highs. If we start rejecting off of these levels and closing below them, trade number one, trade number two. That's all we got. That's all I got on Rune. Oh, wait. Sorry. I'm completely ignoring a big level. 530. So you actually have 3 potential trades on Rune. How big are these risks? Like this is probably a big gap. That's fucking huge. A little scary there. So when I see something like that, when there's a big gap and I want to find additional levels so I can justify trade number one when we're there and like the div, right? So if I'm playing a div, what levels do I have additionally to play? Just going off of this 4-hour range, I'm going to break it down and dissect it. I want to look and see where the value area low is. Okay, there you go. That makes more sense now. There you go. So this is much tighter now, right? So you have 1.22% to snipe along on Rune in this area. Trade number one, trade number two, trade number three. Execution on this would be 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30-minute bullish divergences, each one. So the way that it can work out is 1 minute, 5-minute bullish divergence, right? And then the divs break, and then we keep going down. And then you get like a 5 and a 15 again. And then those could print and you can make money, or those break, and then you'd be playing like a new 15 and a new 30. Your setups are always going to be identical for longs and shorts. We cover this every stream. Price, level, POC, whatever, RSI, oversold, right? What am I looking for it to create? A W. Down, bounce. RSI, bounce. Every single one of my longs look like this. I don't give a fuck about price at all. All I care about is, do we have a level to bid, and is the RSI telling me that we can get a shift in the trend momentum? Yes. Send it. Same thing with shorts. It's just fucking flip the chart upside down. There's a POC, a level here. This is your sweep. RSI looks like this. Oversold. Bearish divergence. Every short looks the same. It does not change. The setups never change. They look identical. All right. Rune. About it. Yeah, I like it. I like these. No more levels. I wouldn't cut the trade until the div is broken, even though it goes this far above my Z. No, 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 no. If the div is broken, like on the 30, if the div is broken, you gotta cut it. Or if you have no more levels and it's in price discovery, yeah, dude, it's like you're short in, you're just gambling. That's all it is, gambles. Like what coin is that? Like, is that a real example or is that just a drawing? All right, what else? C for my boy Muzza. Let's go. All right, I ain't got shit on this coin. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh, bro, if you're long on this, should see some nice TPs coming up. Yeah, range POC. So hold and so the GP was in play. I don't have any POCs marked out yet, but just simply pulling fibs in the fixed range volume profile, we deviated. I promise you on lower time frame we deviated. Europe. There you go. Watch. Damn, that's a big div. Holy shit. So this low time frame div, big GP. I don't have any POCs yet. I'm sorry. So the way we would be looking at this, let's go back to the daily, reset the chart. All right. Flip and hold the value area low. So like today, right? Like today, we need to see at least a 4-hour candle. So like at like 12 o'clock Eastern time, if we can get a 4-hour candle, do something like this, TP1, TP2, TP3 on C. Partials, all partials, and then hold it for a moon bag. The reason why we'd hold it for a moon bag is usually when we range, the whole point of us playing the bottom of the range and the top of the range, so shorting up here, longing down here, is an anticipation, right? So if we're short from up here and we are anticipating a breakdown and we didn't get it, that's the reason why we'll hedge long in anticipation of a breakout. That's why I always hold moon bags, but I like to pay myself in the meantime. Because if we flip the value area high on C here, where are we targeting? Previous range. These levels. There you go. So as long as your bags are packed, I'm sure your stop losses are break even. You want to maintain bullish structure. 4822 needs to you could even test it, right? Like we could even do a bullish retest. We could pull back and get at 4822 and everything's still gravy. You want to see a flip of 60 for you the giga print and then take some moonbag TPs at 80, 86, 91. Probably a big move, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's juicy. That's 65%. That's 3 times more than what I usually like. 20 is like my number. Like Leonardo DiCaprio. Let's go. Shit. That's a joke. It's a joke. All right. Let's see. Let's say. Let's go. Oh fuck. Take a 15-minute. Earl, bro, you're going at it, huh? If I take 15 now and close it when the dip breaks on the 15, right? Correct. Correct. That is correct. I played the dib that I'm playing is my validation and my invalidation, right? The oversold, overbought is my confirmation to bid the levels. Earl, I'm telling you, bro, like I have 75% break even. Like my win rate is only high because of my break evens. I take more break evens than anybody else that I could even think of. I like C though, bro. Like that's pretty juicy right there. Muzza. I hope you're in it and I hope you print. I'm rooting for you, fam. I'm rooting for you. We can add. Oh man, you know what though? Let me do this. I just want to do this one time. One time. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that TP3 that we're talking about. Lines up with the big, massive, like 80-day range value area low. So if this is a big deviation between the value area low, look what we were talking about for the moonbag targets. Value area high. Like it's there. The data is there. There's no. That's when people say like shit price like everything's priced in. This is why. This is why. Bull market, like what? Wait, what do you mean bull market target? We've been in a bull market the whole year. Are you talking about like alt season targets, Sparks? Sorry, I want to be okay. Alt season, sure. You want to have some fun? Just pull from the high to the low. $160, $235, $310, $385, $460. You cool? You like that? Kirk Cousins, you like that? All right, cool. That's what's up. I'm sorry, I'm trying to read chat. Keeps printed plus 7, making higher highs. If you short entry, the loss can get pretty ugly. It doesn't never happen. Sorry, just trying to master your strategy. No, it does happen. It does, especially if OI is going up and price is going up. Funding is negative. They're squeezing shorts. That's what's going on. They're squeezing shorts. But I mean, like I said, so if you have no levels after the level that you're playing, it doesn't matter about the RSI no more because you have no levels to play. It's done. Trade's cooked. You got to cut it. I mean, that's what I do. I just cut it. But if we're talking like if you're talking about alts, like yeah, you'll see that. But like BTC and ETH, no, that shit don't happen. Shit don't happen. So you don't know. You don't know like, this is current. Remember, things can change because if we make a lower low on Rune and we're just getting excited for no reason or whatever the case may be. Let's just say we, if it keeps going down a little bit and we go to this daily range right here, right? So let me pull some levels right here. Let's just say we go down a little bit more. Let's say we sweep. Let's just say we sweep 39, right? What's up, Bryce? Let's just say we sweep 39 and we get filled at like fucking, I don't know, 38, 35, 34. It's going to change. The reason why it's going to change is because you have to extend the fib now. So let's just say the bottom is 34, 34, right? It changes, but not like significantly, right? The TPs actually just get better. Look. See? They just get better. That's all. That's all it is. Yeah, I'll take a look at Soul. What else? What else? Well, can you check tone? It can flip value area high, value low. Hey, man, you're telling me. Is that what the TA is saying? Let's go. All right, so tone. We'll add tone. We'll add soul. Yeah, printers on, unlimited ink. We don't stop. We don't fucking stop. All right, tone. I don't even have that coin. Let's see. Let's add it. Yeah, we can add Cass on there. Ooh. Okay, so this looks like this is that value area high, right? Is this all time high for this coin? Sheesh. Okay. You guys are funny, man. Making me do this. Not making me, but got me charting out this shit. All right. It's at a point. Okay. What happens when we consolidate at a significant resistance or support level? Quick question. We usually blast through it, right? So, with that being said, this coin is respecting these range levels to the fucking T. All right. What you're looking at is this right here is basically your resistance, right? As soon as you start getting candle closures above this, the fucking party is on. Buckle up. I hope you got your bags packed and you're gonna be a moon boy, right? You're gonna fucking moon. You're gonna print like crazy. If it breaks down from this range, then you have a couple levels to actually get exposure on. Or like if you're not already long and you're wanting to find some positions on tone, you got 626. You got a daily POC naked 603. I would just say here and here. So like the way that I would do it is I would be adding my alerts like right here. So that way I could be like, okay, cool. Is the RSI telling me I can play that? Is the RSI telling me I can play this? Right? And then after that, I mean, if we're just going to continue the range over the summer on alts before alt season starts, here's your big levels, spot positions, yada, 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 right? Like building swing positions. So you have potentially one, two, three, four longs if you're not already long. Uh, Big Cat doesn't make any difference. I do TA on Binance. Okay, so I do both. I'll do both. Bid. I do TA on Binance. I do TA on Bybit because I trade on Bybit. But I still like to see what Binance does, like what Binance was saying at that price, right? Because sometimes you're gonna like you'll have levels on Bybit, but you won't have them on Binance, or you'll have them on Binance, and you won't have them on Bybit. So like I just want to know every potential level that I can play, short or long. It don't matter because the RSI always tells me what I need to do anyways. Is she? Let's go, bro. Big print. Big fucking print. Let's go, baby. All right, so tone, I mean, that's all I got. If it ain't what you're looking for, my apologies, but like it's it's tough. Some of these coins are really tough, especially when you see shit like this. I mean, look at this fucking daily wick, man. Like this is very hard to trade. Like extremely hard to trade. Um Here, I'll clear this out. You know, like, why did it bounce here, right? Like, that's the question. It's definitely a POC. It has to be. It wouldn't make any sense. Okay, there you go. Daily, right there. Daily POC. Let's see if there's anything else. That's all it was. It's a daily POC. This is fucking so new. It's 3 months old. And then, okay, so remember those levels that we just had? Look, daily, daily, daily. There's also naked POCs that fall in line with that. Look at that. So, like, this is the only level they'll even think about shorting. If anyone's wanting to short tone, it'd be like this. Like 5, 15, 30-minute bearish divergence right there. That's it. That's all you got. Target, target, and then you just pull this guy. Falls inside the area of interest. No, I only got filled 200 ETH or 250. Not, I didn't get the whole thing. It's embarrassing. Literally bounced like right where like the first entry was. It's kind of funny. Very sad. Very sad. All right, Soul. What do you know? Yeah, Soul looks great. I mean, this is the long that we were talking about before. Possible rejection off of these never happened. We're holding the value area. Here, let me clear this out again. Let me hide these so it can be easier for everybody to see. Same thing. So we have to update the range. It's a dirty range right now, but looks good. As long as Soul can continue the hold 144, target the next range. Soul ranges are very, very clean. Like this one right here. So range, range. And you guys actually might see this, and it makes sense for like alt season, but is it this easy? Who knows? AMD. Is anyone familiar with AMD? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So you got accumulation, manipulation, distribution. No limit. I don't do limit orders. I've talked about like my thought process on limit orders. Like I don't play every single one of these levels. I wait for the RSI to tell me. But like you guys hear me say this, right? Like if there's a zombie apocalypse and you're inside of a fucking mall or some shit, and there's a hallway that's like with the lights flashing and it's all dark and there's fucking zombies everywhere, are you gonna be the first ones to walk through that hallway? Nah, I'll wait. I'll wait. Do the levels work really well though? Yeah. I mean, could we place limits? 100%. But what I take strive for is my win rate, right? Like I have 100% win rate, I believe, on BTC for this year. And I've traded it hundreds of times. That's because I don't leave limits. Now, if I didn't give a fuck about my win rate and just put limits on these POCs, would my win rate be a little bit lower? Yeah. Would I be profitable? 100%. Like it's not very often where these levels just get their ass blown out. I only like during like the war news is really where levels like kind of got destroyed. But the divergence is broken and it allows you to get out with a very minimal loss or even break even. Like we did this. Like me and the ninjas played that war shit Tried the long every fucking dip. A lot of break evens, a lot of like stopped and slight profits. And it was just a risk that we were willing to take because we were at levels that we wanted to play. The RSI was making sense. But as soon as the Brit div started breaking, it's like de-risk. We're getting the fuck out. We're done. We'll sit on our hands and wait for the next levels. Yeah, I couldn't believe that. I mean, that's some wild shit. DCA in a 30% range to get out of a trade and profit. It's hot. Like that's the news for you. I mean, that's the power of levels. If you DCA levels and you're doing swings like that, it happens. All right, so Soul, it's looking good, looking good. Watch these levels are gonna fall inside of the area of interest to short. Ready? There you go. Purple box, area of interest. We only play the levels, not the fib levels. We play the POCs, and this isn't even all of them, right? I'm sure there's like dailies, there's probably weeklies, 2 days. Yeah, let's check it out. Check it out. So already I can see that there's like 4 short possibilities on Soul in this area for hedge, right? Hedge. Um, it looks good. If you're long Soul, hope your bags are packed, stop loss break even, and I'm rooting for you to print. TPs would be way the fuck up here, way up here. If we flip this GP, that would confirm AMD. PVP, PVP indicator, periodic volume profile, settings, default. You just want to extend POC to the right. That's going to show you the naked POCs. I turned off volume profile. I don't give a shit about that. I turned off value area high, value area low. Oh no, yeah, I turned off value area high, value area low for PvP. I like to use value area low, value area high for fixed range volume profile. And then also I removed the histogram box because it's kind of ugly if you do that. Like, look what it does to the chart. Like, nah, I'm straight. Cool. So keeping it simple, we're in a range. Maintained bullish structure, anticipation of a flip and a breakout. That's it. I love it. And then, okay, so if you were to execute, I mean, there's no reason to even talk about this right now, but this is my thought process. Alert goes here telling me that, hey, Soul's in a short area. I would execute with lower time frame bearish divergences and the value area low. This guy right here is going to tell me if I'm going to print or not. Because what could happen is I get filled and then we bullish retest the value area low of this previous range and AMD is in play. Skyrocket. If we fall below this, then I'm like, all right, cool. I'm going to get TPs. TP1, TP2, TP3. That's it. That's how we do it. Oh, would you try to enter along if you're not in? On what? On Soul? Oh, man. Okay. I'm sorry, my dog. My dog always snores when I'm on stream. I don't fucking get it. Nah, I'm not me. Not right now. No, no. I'm personally me. Nope. Nope. So these big significant levels, right? Like 150, 144, 132. I mean, you're talking. We play these levels and look for longs on Soul if the RSI is oversold. I only long if the RSI is oversold, like 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30. I only short Like if it's this, but no, I'm not looking to short Sol right now. Even though we're at the value area high, I mean, it's bullish structure. If I was still long on Sol, like from 127, I think is where I was long at. I got stopped out in profit on it. If I was long on Sol, yeah, I would possibly take a head short here. I mean, we already did the bullish retest on the value area high. Let's see, where is the high? Oh, wow, there is a 5-minute bear div, but not as clean as we'd like to see. Here, let's take a look at the 15. No, there's no div yet. So like, and there's no levels for me to play, right? Remember, a short is gonna look like an M, so it's kind of doing it, right? We could do it, but I don't have any levels to play. No, no, Gummy. We tried it. We tried that already. It didn't work. It didn't work. We got stopped out. Like 4 of us got stopped out break even on the BTC short this morning. We tried though. There's no harm, no foul if you try it. Damn. Okay, Gummy. That's what I like, bro. Keep going. Keep on printing. All right, let's take a look at Cass. Whew. All right. So exactly what we are thinking about Cass is this box was originally support and a GP. I think you got all 3 TPs on this one. Yeah, I played this. I played this coin. So we longed here. TP1, TP2, TP3. Then it fucking obviously knew through it. The remaining of this position was stopped out in profits. And now we're formed a new daily range, and the previous GP is now acting as resistance, which is kind of typical. So let's get rid of that. And let's take a look at new technical analysis on Cass. We have a range. Nice little cute little range we got going on. It's about the same thing. It's almost matching exactly what other coins are looking at, right? Like AMD, we're at the range POC. We're coming to a value area high. If we're just going to keep chopping around or just continuously range, this is the range that I'm looking at, right? So this is your buy areas. This is your short areas. I don't play anything in between. That's it. And then what's going to happen is these boxes are going to get closer to each other, right? Here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So what you're going to get is you're going to start to get compression. When you guys see me say that there's a big move incoming, the reason why is the GPs are getting shorter and shorter, right? So let's just say we like bounce up, we reject. Now I'm going to add a new one, right? And then we bounce here, and then I'm going to add a new one. Do you see how close they start getting? When you start seeing like GPs do this, your anticipation of a big move incoming becomes very probable, super high, where you'll actually start seeing either your breakout or your breakdown. Like that's exactly how we'll start playing it when shit compresses. People will start saying like, "Oh, there's pendants and stuff like that," and the pendants will start lining up with the GPs anyways. I mean, I don't even know if you call this one. I'm not a big, trend line trader, but I mean, I guarantee you, there's a ton of traders that is like looking at this right now, right? So it's like GP, GP to GP, GP to GP, GP to GP. It's like, oh shit, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? And then like this is the moment where the big move income, right? Big breakout, big extension up, or the next leg down. I don't know, man. This is all the data that we have. It's not a lot of data, to be honest with you. But the ranges are super clean. So let's actually see like what's going on with this previous range before we made our extension up. Oh, see? See, as soon as we start to go back and start looking at previous levels, it paints a perfect picture. Look at that. These levels are from 2023. It is not now. These levels, like these supports, these bounce levels are from 2023. It is not now. So it looks good. Oh, it looks real good. Sheesh. Whoever requested this coin, if you are long, here's your targets. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I like it. 58% move. Let's go. No problem. No problem, Don. Don, don't we have a one-on-one today? I think I do. Oh shit, we got a one-on-one with Don. First one. Let's go, bro. I'll see you soon, man. What's up, Pock? Hugo, yeah, man, we're fucking juicing on the longs from yesterday. Couldn't be happier. All right, it's been an hour. Let's do like another 30 minutes. We can just whatever you guys want. Whatever you guys want to do. This is all very, very high time frame analysis. All high time. I and J. Okay. Oh, what do you know? INJ's it's still like it's respecting this GP pretty well in these POCs that we have lined out. Don't mind these. I'm just a greedy motherfucker. I'm so greedy on trying to like get the extreme lows where everyone panics. This is still in play. I'm not in INJ. I tried it one time and it just irritated the fuck out of me because the coin moves slow as shit right now. But if we can actually finally sweep this 18 bucks, I will be looking. My plan stays the same. 1693, 1546. I still want that. Oh, I'm busy. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's not like I enjoy saying that, but it's just because I'm not long, right? So like, if I'm greedy and I want to be long here, but are we in a buy area? Yes, right. But like this already played out. Like this GP in my eyes already played out. Like when we longed here, and we got TP1, TP2, and then TP3 was front ran. So that's why. So I want us like you can do the same thing, right? So we could pull the range, keep it simple, pull the range. What's going on? Like where are we at? Value area low. We flip this and hold it. Target range, flip the range, target the value area high. And if we deviate at the value area high, then I actually might get my fills. But if we just start flipping, yeah, Pocky sidelined on INJ, and it is what it is. Pitasa, we tried to short it earlier, did not work, and I'm not taking any trades while I'm streaming because it would be quiet. When I'm taking trades, I gotta like focus and look at the RSI and look at like open interest, funding. I'm gonna take, especially when it comes to BTC, just so we can maintain that high win rate. Yeah, yeah, man, we printing, bro. We printing. Directional bias is fucking perfect yesterday. Oh, I think ETH is, yeah, ETH TP2. Let's go. Let's go. 30-24, guys. Um so like I'll give out levels, Slave, but it's on you to execute them. I'll give out levels to play, but it's on you to execute them. We execute with divergences. So if you do not know how to play divergences, then you're not going to be able to really execute on the level that we are in the den. Oh, BTC. Let's go, guys. We have no levels. We have no levels to short. All the levels were played. There's nothing to do on shorts right now. Yeah, there we go. Here. I'm looking at here. 67. 67.5. That's TP2. TP2. We're still waiting on a bullish retest. I think yeah, we still got some time. We got 1 hour. 1 hour. So what we want to see. Yeah, this shit ain't printing. I don't know what that is. So at in 1 hour, when we get a new 4 hour candle, or it could even happen now, I want to see like low time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute bullish divergence here for us to continue to keep going up, and our long is just gonna fucking eat. If we do this, I'll be like, oh shit, fumbled the short. It's okay. And I'll look to compound the long again. All right, anything else? Anything else? Ugh, man, I wish somebody would have got up here like Dow, Bryce, Vent. It's like I'm talking to myself. Muzza, JTO. We're in GTO. Let's take a look. All right, so the way that I gotta look at GTO, because I'm currently long, I still want to look for longs on it. I might just get better entries. I mean, we've already taken mad TPs on JTO, so damn. See how like these levels are respected? Like the value area high, value area low, range, like it, bro, like this shit is fucking the cheese. All right, let's take a look and see where we could pull back to look for additional longs. The ranges are a little bit hard on this, so what we'll do is we'll go to a lower time frame, see if I can identify any other ranges. Okay, easy. Now it's much easier. So if you cannot identify a range on a specific time frame, change it. Don't force it, just change it. So now I can see that we're ranging, range, range, right? You guys can identify this now, right? So let's add some fixed range volume profile. Let's see what's going on. I'm actually just gonna pull all this, guys. Okay, there you go. Then let's see if there's anything below. There is. All right. Let's identify the previous range low and the current range high. Let's add our fibs. Is this okay? Yeah, so this is above, these are above my entries, so this is perfect. If we're going to continue to maintain bullish structure for us to start taking out some more highs like here and higher, want to see something like this, right? So it's up, down, up, down, up. Kind of wanted it to go higher here and then down again and keep going, right? Create this channel, but it's not playing out as according to plan. So we will look for a break of this channel. If my boy Dow's in here, he'll contest to this, that break of a channel does not mean that it's completely bearish, right? What we could look at is a deviation. We sweep these lows, bounce here. Everyone's hoping for here and here to sweep. We don't get it. They're front ran, and we bounce here with a bullish divergence and just continue flipping and going higher. TP1, TP2, TP3, and then you hold the remaining position for a moon bag for us to actually start taking out highs. If we start getting candle closures below 3371, 357, 350, 347. I'm no longer interested in playing JTO, and I will wait for here and here because it's the big boy. It is the big Johnson. 4 hours. Single print gets filled. Oh, yeah, that was beautiful. Look at that. Look at those levels. Ask Impulse, he'll open up a stream after you. Okay. Where is Impulse? Is he here? No. Oh, shit. There's 87 people in here? Man, that's a lot. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm looking at. So compound continuation on JTO 371, 357, 350. Now this is a directional bias. I am long already on GTO. So I would look to add in compound possibly 1, 2, 3 different areas on JTO for a continuation up. I will not compound if there is no divs there, and I will cut my current JTO long in profits if we start breaking these levels, and I will literally sit on my hands and I will wait for under $3. That's just the way that the cookie crumbles for me. Obviously, things can change because if we start creating like a 4-hour range and we sweep here and we start making levels in this gap, then I can actually start looking for longs again. But as of right now, it is thin air from 350 to $3. That's the reason why I'm in at 350. Like basically, I longed this. This is where I longed. And if you guys really want to know, you'll see the range levels. I played this 4-hour range POC and value area low. This is why my entries was like around here. So I have this, I had that, and then I just added my fibs from the high to the low, and I caught this knife. That's the knife I caught. So can we play the same levels again? Of course, because there's new levels now, and we made a higher high. So they're like, great, we TP'd up here. Perfect. So let's see if we can TP some more. This position's been open for fucking ever. 6 days. Yeah, my position's been open for 6 days. Yep, that's what Teal Street is telling me. So if we're gonna actually just make it a little bit more funner, this is the GP that I'm hoping bots, algo, and retail is playing. because it's protecting my entries. It's protecting my current like swing trade on JTO. This is what we're looking at right now. So it's like this is the area of interest. This is like the do or die. Whole reason why I would sit on my hands if we lost and we go like this and we turn this into support into resistance, I'm done. I'm out. See you later. I'll look down here below $3. So that's JTO. After you okay, let's get some questions. After you identify a good fundamental GP, maybe closer to see. I'll play the next. I'll play the next set, Gummy. I'll play the next set. Thanks, Sparks. I appreciate you, bro. I'm not. I don't play the GME and AMC stuff. I did back in the day, but I'm not. I'm not in the stocks anymore. I left stocks and came to crypto. So, all right, that's it. Um, anything else before we wrap this stream up? I do have uh 4 trainings today. Got to get prepared for that. But if anybody has anything else, let me know. I'll be more than happy to jump into it for you. Can we apply same rules this time? Yes, bid. There is some ninjas. I don't know if they're in this stream right now, but this strategy does work on traditional stock market and it also works on forex. We have some great success stories using this strategy in those other markets because we are trading something. We are in a game that is all based off of math. So all 3 of them have something in common. It's all based off of math, and levels are levels. Divergences are divergences. I mean, it is what it is. So yes, it does work. It does work. It's just the time frames work. That's pretty much about it, right? Like the times, like your time frames work. Like crypto's a lot more volatile, so we've adjusted like fib levels and stuff. Um, where stock markets, some of those stocks are going to move a lot slower. You're not looking at massive gains like you would like on crypto coins or like GME and AMC and stuff like that. But if you go to a GMC or a GME and an AMC chart, you'll see that the levels are respected. Kind of crazy until you got Roaring Kitty make a tweet and then every level is just fucking blown out. That's manipulation. Can we get TP2 on ETH? Fuck. Yeah. Bid 15 and then 30. After that, I don't play. I don't like to really play higher time frame like divs because it just takes too long for it to play out, right? Like 4 hour, it might like that's minimal 8 hours, 8 hour trade that unless you have hard stops and stuff like that. Like that's a trade that you're gonna have to manage for like 8 hours. Like I'm cool. 30 minutes is fine because that's just like an hour. Oh, here we go. Come on, TP2 on ETH. Let's just get it for the culture. TP2 on ETH. Let's get it. Yeah, so basically what pasta is after 5 minutes before you get the next set, which is in my understanding. Wait, yes, yes, Gummy. I guess we could. I mean, like, I can give you an example real quick, like on BTC, right? So go on, like, I'll go on lower time frame real quick. All right, I'll pull up the RSI. So what did we play? If you ask any of the ninjas, we played this. We played this div here. Damn, my dog is loud. See the bearish divergence here? It broke, right? So people be like, oh, I'm going to play the next 5. Nah, you don't have to. You don't have to do that. Because if we played the 5 and we got stopped out, break even, then you go to the 15. Like, okay, now look, now there's a 15-minute div. But like, what levels are we playing? Like, there's no POCs for me to play. Unless I'm missing them, which it's a big possibility. I don't have my charts always updated. But like, there's a 15-minute div in play, but you have to wait for this candle now here. So like, there is a 15-minute div, bear div on BTC from here to here. So what you want to see is the sweep level. We close below the sweep level there. For this 15-minute candle needs to go here like that. But there's no levels to play, so this is just hypothetically. Now, if there was like a POC here, then yeah, we could have played it. But there is a 15-minute bearish divergence on BTC right now. So that's your 15-minute div. But you have to wait here. Oh, that's not a POC barbecue. That's a fib level. So either we just deviated, and we still are waiting for bullish retest on this range. That's what we're still waiting for. I don't know if we're gonna get it today. I don't know if we'll get it tomorrow. We could just fucking gig ascend all the way to 67. I mean, that's where my target is, 67. So up here, I want these divs to be broken. I've already took my shot. How about 4-hour single print value area low at 64.9? Okay, so now you're talking to me, Optimus. Now you know that is a level. What 4-hour single print though? What, this? No, that's not it. This? No. Hell no. No, if anything, I want this 4-hour single print to get filled, bro. I want this 4-hour single print to get filled. And it's a range. It's not value area low. Let's take a look. Ooh. That's kind of funny. Look, 30-minute though. 30-minute div is in play. Oh, now you guys are just throwing mad POCs out at me, making me look like I'm a rookie. No idea what I'm doing. I don't even have the 5-day tapped on my chart. I had this 5-day. Yeah, there is a 15. 15 is in play. 30-minute is in play. Yeah, here's the 30. But like, I don't know. 30 looks like it already got done. Yeah, this is actually a div, right? So div, that's the 5 that we talked about. But look, the sweep level did not hold as resistance. We did not turn it into resistance. That's what we wanted to see. What happens with Dom? I think dominance is coming to an area of like a short area, not a short area. Yeah, short area for dominance for sure. But I don't really play this at all. So oh, this is CME. This isn't dominance. This is CME gaps. Yes, but Lars, you are correct. Yes. All right. Yeah, that's all I got. A lot of info. Hope I didn't confuse anybody. That's it. That's all we do. Gigas over Gigascent. Yeah, I'm waiting, bro. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for my TP on ETH. Just chilling. We're just chilling. We longed everything yesterday, right? Like the directional bias yesterday was we look for longs, we try to get long on shit. Patience played. We waited for the divergences. We waited for the levels to get hit. I mean, we can't ask for anything else. I mean, fuck. That was it. These were the levels that we played yesterday. There's no debate. Like these, the video that we made yesterday or the day before on Monday was here, Monday morning, made this video, rejected off the range. And this was the area that I wanted to look to add and compound along from here. And we did it. We're sending. Let's go. When there is no levels to play, we just absolutely send or we nuke. I love this game. Binance. I think they pulled their limits. I think they pulled their bids. They pulled their bids. Yeah, they did, them tricky little fuckers. Look. They pulled it. Can't fool me. They pulled them. That's what happened. They pulled. Oh, we're going. We're sending. Let's all go. Let's go. I fucking love this shit. It's funny. All right, guys. I'm gonna get ready for the one-on-ones here, starting in about 30 minutes. My DMs are always open. I look forward to being part of your guys' journey. And that's it, man. Let's just let it ride. Let the trades cook. You guys had the levels that we went over on all those coins, BTC, ETH. You guys know the plan. And I'll catch everyone later. Thanks for hanging out and chilling with me. It's been a pleasure. Catch everyone later.